So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having any further delay. So this video will be going to the routine of 5th July 2024 of the day 112. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's routine video. So basically, I woke up and I literally no idea where I woke up, but as usual nowadays, I woke up it very late. But I don't know exactly about it in which time I woke up. Okay, so basically after waking up maybe I went to the bathroom. Okay, after that I had washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that uh, you know I worshipped at a very proper manner, and after that I wore the remaining clothes or not, or I already wore before worship maybe, but I think that after worship I wore remaining clothes maybe. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened on that day. Okay, so after that um, maybe I ate food after worship. I don't know exactly about it. So basically after that I didn't done too much thing, not too much thing. I just researching on the some subjects. I have done the from the first floor to ground floor to first floor. So basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that my mother came and I spent it my time with my family. And after that my mother brought some registers for me, and I checked that register, and that's registers, it's quite good. Okay, so yeah, so basically other and some of the registers already wrote something. Okay, so I have to detach or disattach that paper. I don't know exactly about it which word is suitable for it. Okay, so after that basically this is a thing which was happened. And something, the paper which is not useful on that register, I just broke it. Okay, broke is not a right word, like फाड़ना, paper को फाड़ना. Sorry guys, I'm using Hindi, but I have to speak but in English, so let me like it. फाड़ना. So फाड़ना, yeah, I wrote down, and I'll really translate very soon this word. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is a thing which was happening today. Okay, so after that I didn't do too much thing. After that I researched, as I already told you, and after that I went at ground floor at the time of evening. I ate food, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I started again the register work. And after that I didn't do too much thing. I researched of something, and around late night I went for the sleep. So basically this is a thing which was happened today. I hope you'll understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then guys, please like it, because if you like the videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So today we will gonna to revise the 5 words. Okay, so uh, we will revise today 10 words. Okay, so our first word is rainy. Rainy means, guys, barsati. This is the rainy season, so I think that it is a good season. Have you taken bath in rainy season? Not. Have you taken bath in rain? It's really a very wonderful moment. Our second word is soft. Soft means, guys, mulayam. Said man, this paper is literally soft. It's really appreciable. Our third word is our third word is yawning. Yawning means, guys, ubasi lena. Ubasilena, I know that I didn't done properly. Ubasilena, sorry guys, I'm using in Hindi. But nowadays, right now, I'm not feeling laziness. That's why I can't do Ubasi at a very proper manner. But in case of acting, I can do properly manner, and you can't predict that I'm just acting in yawning. But I can. It's properly. I just in very fastly I just try to do. That's why I didn't seems like that I'm doing it literally at a real manner. So our third word is yawning, that is ubasi, and don't take yawning while studying. So our fourth word is flour. Flour. Flour means, guys, atta. I think the chapati is made up of flour, right? Yes, you are right. Chapati is made up of flour. Pulse. Pulse means, guys, dal. Today I ate lentils. Sorry. Today I ate pulse. And lentil is the, and our fifth word is one, two, three, four, five, six. Sixth word is lentil. Lentil means, guys, masur dal. Today I cooked lentil. And seventh word is borrow. Borrow means, guys, udhar lena. Okay. Can you borrow some money to me? Can you borrow some money to me? Our eighth word is whistle. Whistle yani city. Don't whistling. It's really a very bad habit while studying. Just example, guys. Don't take it seriously. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Our ninth word is volcano. Volcano means, guys, Jwalamukhi. Last, yesterday I saw on TV that a volcano, uh, you know, like ज्वालामुखी फट रहा है. Sorry, I'm using in English, but I have to say यानी फटना. So I have to, let me write it so that I can translate. So ज्वालामुखी, so volcano is at a very top level stage. Okay, so our last 10th word is earthquake means, guys, bhukam. In 2016 I know that there is earthquake happened in India as well as Nepal. It is just, guys, an example. Maybe it's happened, but I don't know exactly about it. So basically, guys, this is the our today's 10th word, and I hope you really understand till here. So let's start from bottom to the top, revising. Okay, so yeah, भूकंप, अर्थक्विक, ज्वालामुखी, वोल्केनो, सिटी, विसल, उधार लेना, बोरो, मसूर दाल, लेंटिल्स, दाल, पल्सेस, आटा, फ्लोर, उबासी लेना, यॉनिंग, मुलायम, सॉफ्ट, बरसाती, रेनी, झाग, फोम, रोग, रोग मीन्स डिजीज, बोना, ड्वार्फ, पागलपन, पागलपन, lunacy, langda. Yeah, from now some useful words is happening. Langda means, guys, um, no, wait, guys, langda means, guys, lame. Okay, yeah, that is all lame. Yeah, bhera, deaf, gunga, dumb, andha, blind, nasta, breakfast, nali, nali, pit, its drain, नाली, ड्रेन, झाड़ू, ब्रूम, आंसू, टीयर्स, पत्थर, स्टोन, ईंट, रॉक. Sorry, पत्थर is stone and ईंट is brick. Okay, धागा, थ्रेड, सुई, निडल. या चढ़ना, क्लाइम, फेंकना, थ्रो, याद दिलाना, रिमाइंड, थका हुआ, टायर्ड, गुफा, केव, पिंजरा, केज, कंबल, ब्लैंकेट, तलवार, स्वॉर्ड, हमेशा, फॉरएवर, हड्डी, बोन, दाढ़ी, बियर्ड, एड़ी, हील, खीरा, कुकुम्बर, कबूतर, पिजियन, लहसुन, गार्लिक, अदरक, जिंजर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, अफवाह, र्यूमर, भ्रष्टाचार, क्रिटिसिज्म, इट्स करप्शन, नॉट क्रिटिसिज्म, हत्या, मर्डर, सिंदूर, वर्मिलियन, शाबाश, वेल्डन, बेशक, बेशक, इट्स ऑफ कोर्स, निचोड़ना, स्क्वीज, सेकना, बेक, पीसना, ग्रिंड, छानना, स्ट्रेन, छीलना, पील, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, हुएवर, जो कुछ भी, विचेवर, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कांपना, ट्रैम्बल, चुगलखोर, स्निचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातूनी, गैरुलस, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, हुज, किसका, होम. सॉरी, किसको मीन्स होम, किसका मीन्स हुज. अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, सॉडी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, दया, मर्जी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, जुआरी, गैम्बलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पेट, कीचड़, मड, बोना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, सूदिंग, सत्यानाश, डैमिट, प्रतीत होना, सीम, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच वरदान बोन श्राप कर्ज खुजली इचिंग वफादार लॉयल शपथ लेना ओथ जाति कास्ट भेदभाव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन संघर्ष स्ट्रगल आचार पिकल एकाग्रता कंसंट्रेशन यस इट्स कंसंट्रेशन अल्पसंख्यक माइनॉरिटी अपराध क्राइम या आध्यात्मिक स्पिरिचुअल इरादा इंटेंशन उल्लंघन वायलेशन आलोचना क्रिटिसिज्म अनिश्चित अनिश्चित अनसर्टेन मासूम इनोसेंट प्रयास स्ट्रगल एफर्ट प्रयास इज एफर्ट धरती अर्थ धड़कन हार्टबीट डरपोक कायर कोवर्ट झूला स्विंग इच्छा डिज़ायर घाव वाउंड घूरना स्टेयर खासियत कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिकल उचित प्रॉपर उलझन कन्फ्यूजन डिलेमा उम्मीद होप हालत कंडीशन भाग्य भाग्य इज फेट ओके थोड़ा ए लिटल बिट तालमेल कोऑर्डिनेशन जिद्दी स्टबर्न उत्साह उत्साह इज उत्साह एंथुजियाज्म या उपाय रेमेडी और सॉल्यूशन बीमार सिक आदत हैबिट बातचीत इज कन्वर्जेशन संभावना पॉसिबिलिटी प्रस्ताव प्रपोजल प्राचीन प्राचीन वेट गाइस प्राचीन इज एंसाइंट वेट गाइस प्रारंभिक इज इनिशियल तरक्की प्रोग्रेस जागरूकता अवेयरनेस उपयुक्त एप्रोप्रिएट मूली रेडिस पालक स्पिनिच शिमला मिर्च वेजिटेबल बर्तन यूटेंसिल्स जड़ी बूटी हर्ब कमर वेस्ट चोट इंजरी कपड़े धोने का स्टैंड लॉन्ड्री चश्मा ग्लासेस कांच गिलास पैदल ऑन फूड नतीजा आउटकम के बजाय इंस्टीट्यूट मुश्किल से बैरली आधी रात मिडनाइट हाल ही में रिसेंटली आज रात टुनाइट पक्का से और पर्दे कर्टेन के खिलाफ अगेंस्ट बगल में बिसाइड पकड़ना कैच खिलाना फीड भौंकना बार्क रोना क्राई और वी कैन ऑल्सो से वीप विचार थॉट न्याय जस्टिस निर्देश निर्देश इंस्ट्रक्शन विरोध करना विरोध करना विरोध करना इट्स प्रोटेस्ट पहुंचना अराइव नीचा दिखाना ह्यूमिलिएट बेवकूफ़ नासमझ सिल्ली डांटना स्कोल्ड बदनाम करना डिफेम लगाव अफेक्शन एक्सबाजी करना फ्लर्ट कुंवारा बैचलर बहादुर ब्रेव बहकाना मिसगाइड सो गाइस बदनाम करना इज डिफेम ओके या अंधविश्वास सॉरी बहकाना इज मिसगाइड परेशानी ट्रबल अंधविश्वास सुपरस्टिशन पास नेयर खटखटाना नॉक बनाना क्रिएट पीछे बिहाइंड सचमुच लिटरली जरूरी असेंशियल निश्चित रूप से अपरेंटली फुसफुसाना विस्पर धीरज पेशेंस लिफाफा एनवलप समझाना एक्सप्लेन आश्चर्य वॉन्डर आरामदायक कंफर्टेबल ले ऑफ ब्रिंग सांस ब्रीथ भक्त रिगोटी उत्सुक ईगर आत्मा सोल बेचैनी एंजाइटी स्वीकार करना एक्नॉलेज सो बेसिकली दिस इज अ थिंग विच वॉज हैपन टुडे आई थिंक इट इज इनफ फॉर टुडे सो लेट्स एंड द वीडियो गाइस श्री राधे बाय बाय